Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're in the home, and we're here to help you decide which robotic window cleaner to buy today. As always, don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mention are in the description below. Cleaning a window takes tons of effort, which is why it's recognized as one of the most tedious cleaning chores. It may not be practical to spend time doing this task, especially if you're a busy bee, so consider investing in a high-quality robotic window cleaner. It can automatically clean your windows for you, allowing you to focus on other tasks and saving you a lot of time and effort. For your convenience, the In the Home team has created this guide to help you find the most suitable robotic window cleaner for your needs. The team has prepared this list through comprehensive research. The robotic window cleaners that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, reviews in the marketplace, quality of finish, and price, and where possible, we have been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the #1 position on our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the home, especially if you are interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The robotic window cleaner coming in at number 5 on our list is the HOBOT Window Glass Automatic Smart Robot Cleaner. The HOBOT is designed to clean large rectangular windows. It uses a strong suction force to attach itself securely to a window pane while absorbing dust and dirt. With its soft synthetic microfiber wheels, this window cleaner thoroughly wipes windows without leaving marks and streaks. The team would like to highlight that the product works best on dry glass panels, and we suggest using it in sunny and less humid weather. The HOBOT comes with a water tank and a patented ultrasonic spray nozzle that releases mist to allow the pad to glide smoothly. It has 3 automatic operation modes, and you can conveniently control the cleaner through its intuitive remote control or mobile app. It's also worth noting that it requires a surface to be at least 13 by 13 inches wide and 3 millimeters thick for the cleaner to work. Apart from that, it's equipped with multiple safety features such as backup battery power and safety rope. In case of a sudden power outage, its integrated uninterrupted power system will power the device for additional 20 minutes, while its alarm system will notify you when the cleaner is running low on battery. Additionally, its 4.5-meter safety rope securely holds the cleaner to prevent it from falling off. The In the Home team highly suggests the HOBOT window cleaner if you need a device to clean floor-to-ceiling rectangular windows. For the best results, we suggest using HOBOT's specially formulated proprietary detergent and cleaning the device's laser sensors and cleaning pads before and after every use. For all these, we've decided to place this product in the number 5 spot on this top 5 list. The robotic window cleaner coming in at number 4 on our list is the ECOVACS WINBOT robotic window cleaner. The team would like to highlight that the WINBOT is most suitable for flat and framed glass surfaces like windows, mirrors, and shower cabin walls. It attaches itself to surfaces through industrial-grade vacuum pump. Its frame detection system and sensors allow it to calculate and choose the most efficient cleaning path without encountering obstacles. It's easy to use, and you can manually operate the cleaner with its user-friendly remote control. The WINBOT robotic window cleaner comes with a power cord that can be extended up to 8 meters, making this perfect for homes with large framed windows. Its front cleaning pads scrub windows clean while the rear pads work for drying. It's also designed with squeegees that help make windows streak-free, while its soft cushion bumper prevents it from scratching delicate window frames while cleaning. The robotic window cleaner follows a Z-shaped cleaning path in horizontal windows while it follows an N-shaped path on vertical ones. Apart from that, it's installed with an emergency battery pack to prevent it from falling off during power interruptions. If you opt for a robotic cleaner with no complicated features, the ECOVACS WINBOT robotic cleaner best suits you. Additionally, the In the Home team loved how efficient it is in cleaning flat framed windows of any thickness. While it doesn't have any water tanks, the team discovered upon testing that you could easily estimate the right amount of cleaning formula to use. We recommend the ECOVACS proprietary cleaning solution with the WINBOT for the best results. Overall, the team has decided to place this product in the number 4 spot on this top 5 list. The robotic window cleaner coming in at number 3 on our list is the Mamibot window cleaning robot vacuum. The Mamibot's powerful suction system can support up to 15 pounds of sheer weight. It's also user-friendly, and the team highly suggests using the cleaner with its mobile app to maximize its features. With its advanced route planning, the team highlights that this robotic window cleaner is suitable for large framed and frameless windows. Boasting its all-smart cleaning modes, this product is versatile, and you can use it on both external and internal window surfaces. You can also use it to clean high-rise windows, bathroom windows, and other flat surfaces like marbles and ceramics. Its microfiber cloths were specially designed to wipe surfaces smoothly while protecting delicate surfaces from any damages. However, the team suggests pre-cleaning your window before running the machine to prolong the cleaning pad's longevity. It follows a Z or N pattern while operating. Additionally, it's equipped with several safety features such as anti-falling sensors, a heavy-duty safety safety rope, a built-in uninterrupted power supply, and an alarm system if its power supply is interrupted. At the time of making this video, the product is covered by a 1-year warranty protecting you from any manufacturing defects. The In-the-Home team highly recommends the Mamibot window cleaning robot vacuum if you wish to clean taller, high-rise windows. We loved how responsive this robot cleaner is, and we found that it works remarkably well on corners, borders, and other areas that are tough to clean. It also runs quietly compared with other robotic vacuum cleaners. With all these, we have decided to place this product in the number 3 spot on this top 5 list. The robotic window cleaner coming in at number 2 on our list is the COAYU window cleaning robot. The team finds it worthy to note that this robotic window cleaner features an angular design that allows it to clean hard-to-reach areas, including corners and edges. It attaches itself to a surface through its powerful vacuum suction that runs at 3,000 pascals and uses washable microfiber cleaning pads that can remove almost any type of dirt, such as grease. While it's equipped with robust features, this window cleaner comes with an intuitive operation mechanism, making it convenient to use and suitable for non-tech savvies. The team also highlights that it is versatile. You can use this cleaner on horizontal and frameless windows as well as glass doors, tables, floors, bathroom tiles, and much more. As part of its safety features, this cleaner can stay attached for about 15 to 30 minutes after power is cut off, and it comes with a safety rope to protect it from falls. Apart from that, this cleaner is responsive and equipped with smart sensors, and its starting point memory allows you to easily access the device after it's done cleaning. The product is covered by a 1-year warranty at the time of making this video, which guarantees that this robotic window cleaner is of quality. Being priced at a lower cost than its competitors, the In-the-Home team suggests the COAYU window cleaning robot if you opt for a robotic window cleaner without breaking the bank. Aside from that, the team finds this suitable for those who prefer a machine with straightforward features. Additionally, we loved how it works on several surface types beside glass windows, which is why we've given this product the number 2 spot on this top 5 list. And finally, we come to the number 1 robotic window cleaner on our list, the AlfaBot automatic smart window cleaning robot vacuum. With a vacuum power of 4 kilopascals, the AlfaBot window cleaner stays firmly attached to surfaces for the most efficient cleaning. It's equipped with a 50-milliliter water tank that can cover an area about 15 square meters, making it suitable for cleaning large windows. The team would like to highlight that this product's versatility allows you to use it on various surfaces including tile walls, tables, and floors. The AlfaBot follows a zigzag cleaning path, and its built-in AI system calculates the most optimal cleaning route. Using the AlfaBot's remote control or mobile app, you can choose between 3 cleaning modes, while its ultrasonic spray nozzle facilitates uniform distribution of mist for greater cleaning coverage. This robotic window cleaner also uses microfiber cleaning pads that leave your windows streak and smudge-free. Plus, they are made from extra soft materials to avoid damaging glass surfaces. It also has smart sensors and a 4-meter safety rope that prevent this device from falling off, while its 30-minute uninterrupted power system keeps it secure during a power outage. The team also finds it worthy to note that this robotic window cleaner's light indicators allow you to check its power status with ease. At the time of making this video, the product is covered by a 1-year warranty that protects you from any manufacturing defects. The In-the-Home team loved the AlfaBot for providing superior features at an affordable price. The team loved that this product remains to be user-friendly despite its many features. We also appreciated how it efficiently cleaned different surface types when we were testing it out. For its practicality and efficiency, the AlfaBot has earned the well-deserved number 1 spot in this top 5 list. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 robotic window cleaners which got our team at In-the-Home excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next robotic window cleaner roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to look it over for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you in the home again soon.